Welcome to Linux Helm. Today we are going to see how to install Zimplit CMS on Rocky Linux 8.6. Zimplit is the most lightweight, simple and customizable content management system ever that can be customized and use only one file. It does not require a database. It allows you to edit any HTML and CSS pages. First I am going to check the installed version of OS using cat command. This is Rocky Linux 8.6. Now I am going to download the Zimplit CMS package in /md directory. The zip file of the package is downloaded. Now I'm going to unzip this package by using unzip command. The file is unzipped. Now I'm going to rename the file. Now I'm going to move this file to default Apache root directory. Now I'm going to change the ownership for Zimplet directory. Now I'm going to change the permission for Zimplet directory. Now I'm going to create the virtual host to access Zimplet CMS. Press I to the insert mode. Server name. This is your domain name. Now mention document root. Now save and quit. Now I'm going to put the host entry. Press I to the insert mode. Save and quit. Now I'm going to disable SC Linux. Now I'm going to add the firewall. Now I'm going to reload the firewall. Now I'm going to restart my Apache web server. Now go to the browser. Search here your local domain with /zimplet.php. Here, select your username, enter your password, re-enter your password, give your email ID, start, save. Here, give agree and give your domain name here. This is the dashboard of Zimplit CMS. By this, the installation of Zimplit CMS in Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.